Hi. So today we'll be learning about Figma auto layout feature. So first we need to create a new design file. You can click on this button and here you can see we've opened a Figma file. Under this, let's just rename our file to auto layout. So moving on to our feature. Yes, we just need to create a rectangle and add one text. Let's start with button. Let's just increase the font size so you can see it more clearer. And now the real magic starts. You can see on your right panel there's this saying auto layout. Just click on it and you can see the feature of auto layout. You can left align the item, center align the item. You can increase the padding between items, which we'll discuss in the later part of this video. And here you can see this is known as horizontal padding. As you can see, these padding it's been highlighted. So you can increase the padding or you may decrease the padding as per your need. Similarly, we have vertical padding. With the vertical padding, again you can increase the button padding or decrease the button padding. Let's move on. Let's add one icon to this button. So I just use one plugin. You just need to drag and drop this icon within this frame, and once it's dragged and dropped, I'll just increase the size, and now you again within this property you can see there's spacing between items. Again, you can increase it, you can type it, you can press shift and above arrow key to increase the spacing between the items. Now you can with this frame we can even make this frame more rounder, and let's just copy it. So the main feature of this auto layout is that currently you can see its button. Let's just type click here to proceed. As you can see, our text ain't going out of the button area, whereas our button is increasing. So this is the major feature of auto layout. We can color this button as well. Within this section we can just color it a little blue, and we can even under the selection colors we can even make our text color or our CTA white. So this is the major property of auto layout, and thank you. Please subscribe.